A light wind swept over the corn, and all nature laughed in the sunshine. Mother Nature is the great equalizer. Nature never deceives us, it is we who deceive ourselves. The violets in the mountains have broken the rocks. The lake and the mountains have become my landscape, my real world. Everything in excess is opposed to nature. How inappropriate to call this planet Earth when it is quite clearly ocean. If people sat outside and looked at the stars each night, I'll bet they'd live a lot differently. Oh, wind, if winter comes, can spring be far behind? By reading the scriptures I am so renewed that all nature seems renewed around me and with me.